Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face, never really knowing. Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike, MOJO Day Trade Room video recap, and I'm showing you some positions that we have here for the day. It's the day trade room. We have 90 in here. Hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving and a nice break, and we're right back into the trading. I want to show you something right here. See this 4,000 shares left at 716? See the stock right here? Other day trade rooms will call out picks and tell you about the positions that they're trading, but they're not actually trading unless they show you that they own shares, what the average cost is, what the realized and all the other situations are with the stock. And they actually show you the orders going in. So right here, 2,000 shares selling at 719, right there. There's the order. So this is a day trade room that actually is real, where the moderator is actually really live trading with the room. If they're not showing you the orders and the screen while they're calling out the picks, telling you how many shares to buy, where they're buying, where they're selling, it's all a bunch of fake garbage. Let me show you what we've done in the Mojo room as far as real deal Holyfield today. Let's melt together. Did you know why we saved the day in WGBS earlier? I took a poll. Was it due to the scaling we did in the stock? A lot of people thought that had to do with it, but it wasn't. The buying power, the stock price, or the volume. It had to do with the volume in the stock. Earlier when we traded WGBS, the stock volume at $1.10 and 11 was trading like 4 million. Bought it again at 104 after we sold it. Then we did it again, average 101, sold it at 102, sold some 101 plus. So we did WGBS and we didn't get burned in it because of the volume. And WGBS right here, the volume is 10.2 million. It's at 93 now. UWTI, I'm still at 2,000 at 719. Haven't gotten filled on any. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to put it in at 18. 2,000 at 718. Sold right there. You saw that get filled, and I got a rebate for selling that. So that's what we do right there. Let me show you some of the other trades we did in the Mojo Day Trade Room. I'm going to put out an order. You see the difference. It's going to get better all the time. I'm going to put a sale out at 720, another 1,000 shares, and see if they come take that while I'm doing the rest of the video. AVXL just went through Heinz $8 as expected. There was no doubt that this stock was going to go through $8. I called it earlier around, let's see what time. No fiddling around. Let's see what we got. It is now 11:15 and 8 seconds. Due to a system based on positive expectancy volume, and the trend is your friend, and what's going on with that stock, let me show you what happened. It's going higher. So here's the first move on it right here. You see this $8 high. Within this level 2 was the signal that was based on that move. Stock was bought here. Stock signal right here again through that high right here, 98, 801, 802. Beautiful sequence right there. Moved up. JNUG, have that one right there. We made a move from this morning right here at 29.50. JNUG 29.50. That was a higher average. But the first JNUG right here, JNUG, UVXY here, JNUG mini Heinz 30.50, average 30.37, sold 30.55, 30.63, and 30.79. UWTI is 20 now. Should be up there as far as selling this now. Let's see here, orders. There's the orders. I'm at 720,000 shares. You could see me right here. My order's actually in black. I got another level 2 right there. So you could see my orders in black in the level 2. I'm going to get filled on 1,000 right now. And then we'll see if we can get some through the high of 725. And while that makes its little move there, and let's see what else we got. We have MNGA that we passed on, IDRA that we're in right now. Actually, I only have half of that left, but that was called for a Hulk, a Green Giant trade play right here, and a Heinz combo on IDRA. Where is that? Right here. Green Giant and IDRA at 398, 399. Hard as well. We did a beautiful move to Heart to 323 earlier, right here through $3. Stock went to 310, and it went to 323. UWTI sold at 1,000 at the 720. So that order's gone. I'm going to sell another 500 now at 722. We'll sell into that high. We'll go 500. Sell it at 725, which is that high right there. 500 at 725. 724. There it goes. I'm going to cancel and hit 24 right now. Cancel, sell 24 right there. So actually trading with the room. Going to cancel and hit 23. Take me at 500 to 23. And we'll see if the rest gets through. And I get a rebate selling that as well. May not take it. I'll just be patient and wait another minute. I'll melt with it. All right, I wanted to get 23, 24. I'm not going to get greedy right here. And I'm going to take the 1,000 that I have left. And I may just nail it at 20 if it doesn't hold. Let's see if it holds. Otherwise, I'm out. Just give it a second. Market's going to get weaker here. UVXY is going to go up. Excuse me. Okay, we're back up 2021. Let's sell it at 23. And just stick it there and just wait. They'll come get it. Let me show you the move we played on Gibson, GBSN. Made a move right here. Made a move right here where we bought it at 158 and we sold it up at 178. Look at the move on Gibson. Gibson right here at 162. Going to go higher, taking a small position. It's 165. It's 167, 68, 69. It's 17. Gibson high 1708 gun. It's a great trade. So the reason why the excuse me, the WGBS saved us earlier in the day was due to the volume. Even if you were wrong, came around 2 more times to try to get you out. UWTI, let's see where we're at with that. It's 720. And we're just going to unleash that right here. Got 500 selling at 20, 500 at 23. And that's pretty much it. Let me show you what we have on the swing side. Couple of good ones. Up. Hold on, it's dropping. I'm just out of this. But I do want to get a rebate. I'll just lower it a penny and put it at 19. See that? That was like $50 difference right there on that 1,000 shares. Canceling 19, putting it back at 20. Beautiful move on AVXL before through that $8. Hard as well. Very nice green giant trade play on that one. Just rocking and rolling in the Mojo room. So here goes UWTI back to 20. Going to cancel and hit 19 just for the purposes of this video. Up there's 20. I will hit 20. Leave it at 20. I sell that, I make profit, and I get a $2 rebate for selling that. And I'm going to cancel it, and I'm only selling 500. Done at 19. We'll hold the rest. IDRA, just be patient. It tapped 09. I think it may go back there again. And that's pretty much it. This thing stopped for us right here at 707 range where we bought it. It stopped again at 707. And just real strong. Just real strong. Windows. I keep on missing this window because it's over here. I got to move it back over here. Stop fooling around with this UWTI. All right, let's get see what else we got. That's pretty much it. So I'm glad to be back with you all with the Mojo Day Trade Room and the video recaps. Tomorrow is a new month. Heading into December, we start fresh, and we take it off from there. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. Everybody keep it profitable. Thanks for following. Thanks for listening. And keep it happy, keep it peaceful, and keep it profitable. So